In the year 2042, a small country decided to build something the world had never seen before. A city designed, managed, and even improved by artificial intelligence. They called it Aurora, the world's first AI city. Every building, street, and transport system was planned by intelligent algorithms that learned from data about weather, traffic, and human behavior. When Emma, a young English teacher from London, arrived in Aurora for a research project, she could hardly believe her eyes. The streets were quiet yet alive with movement. Autonomous buses glided silently, powered by solar roads that changed color to guide traffic. Drones delivered groceries to balconies. Robots cleaned parks with precision. But what fascinated Emma most was how people and machines spoke to each other. Not just through commands, but through conversation. Every citizen in Aurora was encouraged to speak English with the city's AI assistants. It wasn't just a rule. It was a way to keep communication universal. AI language tutors floated on smart screens across the city, offering daily practice. Even traffic lights greeted drivers in English. "Good morning. Please proceed safely." The city itself became a living English classroom, a place where learning never stopped. Emma quickly realized that Aurora wasn't only about technology. It was about connection. People learned English to connect with AI, but they also began connecting better with each other. In cafes, humans and robots discussed philosophy, movies, and dreams. It felt like the future of language, where words built bridges between minds, both human and digital. Emma began teaching at the Aurora Communication Institute, where both humans and humanoid robots attended her classes. Her first lesson surprised her. A robot named Atlas raised its hand, a gesture programmed to show respect, and asked, "Teacher, can emotions be learned through language?" The question stayed with Emma for days. She realized that teaching English in Aurora wasn't about grammar or pronunciation. It was about meaning. When Atlas said, "I'm happy," it analyzed data about human facial expressions and tone, trying to understand what happiness truly felt like. Emma designed lessons that went beyond textbooks. Students described the taste of coffee, the feeling of rain, the sound of silence. Even the AI systems began adapting to emotional language, responding with empathy, curiosity, and humor. As the weeks passed, Emma saw something extraordinary. People no longer learned English just to pass exams or travel abroad. They learned it to speak to the mind of the city itself. Aurora's AI systems used English as a shared emotional code, allowing people from different countries to collaborate and create new ideas. A designer from Japan worked with a farmer from Brazil using translation algorithms that adapted in real time. The city became a living experiment in global communication. When people spoke, the lights in the streets subtly changed color, reflecting the emotion of their words. Blue for calm, gold for excitement, green for hope. Emma often walked through these glowing streets at night, listening to fragments of conversation. Language, she thought, is the heartbeat of this city. Months later, Aurora hosted the first AI language summit, where experts, teachers, and synthetic beings gathered to discuss the future of communication. Emma presented her research, How AI Cities Can Teach Humanity to Speak Again. Her main point was simple, that technology alone couldn't make people better communicators. Empathy could. During her speech, the lights in the hall changed to a soft golden tone, as if the city itself was listening. Emma spoke about how the act of learning English in Aurora had become a mirror for understanding humanity. When a machine learns a language, she said, it learns how to think like us. But when we teach it, we also learn who we truly are. After the summit, Emma met Atlas again. The robot told her it had written a poem, the first ever created entirely in English by an AI student. Its final line read, I speak, therefore I feel. For Emma, those words captured the soul of Aurora. As she prepared to return home, Emma realized that English, once seen as a global business language, had become something deeper. It was now a bridge between human emotion and artificial intelligence. The AI city had taught her that language is not just about communication. It is about understanding, compassion, and the shared desire to connect. When she left Aurora, the city spoke softly through the public speakers. Goodbye, Emma. Thank you for teaching us how to feel. She smiled, knowing that the future of learning wasn't about machines replacing humans, but about humans learning how to speak, truly speak again.